Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to unlock this Moto G6 Forge quick, easy, and efficiently on the unlockingcompany.com. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below which other phone you want to see unlocked or any other videos you want to see on this channel. Let's go ahead and get for it. Alright you guys, and the first step to the unlocking process is going to be going to hit *#06# in your dialer, and there you go. There's your imei information. You're going to go ahead and copy that information down. For the next step in the process is you're going to actually navigate to the unlockingcompany.com. So let me show you guys how to do that real quick and easy, like I said. And what you're going to do is you're going to select the manufacturer, and they do have a phone number and an email. The money back guarantee. I have unlocked my phones with this company plenty of times now, so you're going to go ahead and go to, as you can see, they have plenty of phones guys here that can be unlocked. And if you can't find your phone model, all you have to do is go to any model as well, and then you can just go ahead and go to unlock now. So here we go. So basically you're gonna just put in what country you're at right now. So I am in the United States at the moment, and we're gonna go to what carrier it's coming off of. So it is coming off of Cricket Wireless. Okay, and let's go ahead and go to next there, and then you're gonna go ahead and put in your imei number that you did receive earlier. You're gonna go ahead and put your full name right there. You're going to go ahead and put your delivery email, which you want it to delivered to. So usually the average consumer competitor price is $31.99 or 32 bucks. It says you save 15, so it's only $17 to unlock this phone. So I think that's a great price. 100 bucks for the phone at Best Buy. Now you're going to unlock it for $17, and you can use it on any carrier. I think this is a great device to unlock. So let's go ahead and go to the next step, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wait until I have my unlock code. All I got to do is I got to take my SIM tool kit right here. You can take anything, earrings, paper clip, anything that has a little sharp pointy end right there, and you're going to stick it into the hole that is actually your SIM kit right there, your SIM, or where your SIM card tray lays. So just make sure not to, put it into the microphone hole or the other hole that's used for noise canceling. It's in the side of the device. Please check with your manufacturer where your actual SIM card goes. And then what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to go ahead and install Mint SIM card in there, and then we're going to go ahead and see the prompt, and I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, let's go ahead and get into that. Alrighty guys, and as you can see, once you have your SIM card in there, your SIM card from another company, and you have not unlocked your phone and you powered it back on, it's going to say SIM network unlock pin. So you're going to have to go ahead and put in that pin number. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. And once you actually put in your pin number right there, then you're going to just go ahead and hit enter. Once you have that code from the unlocking network or the unlockingcompany.com. Let's go ahead. As you can see, it says SIM network unlocked successful. So now basically I can go ahead and use that Mint SIM. I can go ahead and use T-Mobile in here if I want. I can go ahead and pretty much use any GSM carriers. Now this phone is completely factory unlocked, and will stay so for the remainder of the device's life. So go ahead and leave a big fat like if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and hit up the unlockingcompany.com. They are in the description for all your unlocking needs. And this has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.